with Chelsea. What's your favorite dinner food?
Nate, how are those chicken strips?
Fuck your chicken strips!
Go.
Fuck your chicken strips! Go!
Nope.
Hey guys, Caleb here. I'm 13. I'm gonna go skating with my friends today. Can't wait to do a kickflip.
Dude, I called shotgun! Shit! You're gonna wake up Slinky!
Okay.
Hey guys, just at a party with all my friends. Yeah, you too. Alright.
I'm in the street. I hear.
Man down. Where you from?
I love you. He's a gigantic worm. Ugh. I love you so much.
If you were to receive a compliment from one player in the league, whose compliment would mean the most to you?
I don't really care about any of them.
But when your legs don't work like they used to before.
Oh, where'd he go?
You wouldn't like me before my coffee. It's so weird because I fucking hate you all the time, every day.
Oh my gosh, break a leg. Whoa.
Let me see what you have.
No!
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
When I was in the 3rd grade, I thought I was skinny. But then I looked in the mirror and saw I had man titties.
So Shaniqua was tripping because her weave was out. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Back up. Ain't nobody scared of you.
Bobby, I just broke up with my boyfriend. Bring the beat in.
Anything for you, Beyonce?
How was your first day at school?
Hey, come here, I want to talk to you.
What?
Someday you're gonna grow up and you're gonna be a man.
Someday you're gonna be dead.
Okay!
Round and around and around.
And around and around. I like this game.
Ooh, that's cute. Let's try no filter. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna keep the filter. That's better.